I don't think the viewers are interested in seeing the maha as much as they're interested in seeing your natural beauty. Beef. Are you making spaghetti?
Yeah.
Well, see, I wasn't even looking in the pot. That's why I didn't even know what you was cooking. I told Pia to be prepared to be showcased. So she's got the fashion going on today. Look at this beautiful supermodel sitting here making Filipino-style spaghetti. So I will give you a quick look at her cooking skills. And if you're not familiar here in the Philippines, spaghetti has hot dogs in it. So the ladies have sliced up them red hot dogs and are going to work on the meat here. But if you get any type of hot dogs or any type of spaghetti here in the Philippines, it's a very sweet sauce and it's going to have hot dogs in it. So let me come over here. Of course, she's helping his mom out. Actually, he just wanted some rice. But baby, I'm going to showcase your beauty too and your fashion. My beautiful. Okay, here we go. Here we go. It's a money shot. Action shot. That's the Pinoy party style spaghetti sauce, which is very sweet. It's very runny. If you're from the West, you're probably not going to enjoy this spaghetti. Okay, so to be honest with you, this spaghetti is so different than what we're used to. It's not exactly a foreigner's cup of tea, but it's what you get here in the Philippines. You go to Jollibee, go to anywhere, any birthday party. This is how they prepare spaghetti. Sweet sauce, it's got hot dogs in it. Not exactly my favorite, have to be honest with you and keep it real. But usually I buy the Italian style here for the house, but today is a birthday party, and so it's not all about me. Today's about the guests and the babies, and therefore we went with the party style, Pinoy style. Usually it says Pinoy style, but that says Pinoy party style. Pia, why are Filipino mothers so hard on the children? Somebody put my daughter to work. She very much wants a job and wants to be employed here in the kitchen. Got to get Maria employed here, gainfully employed, folks. Anyhow, so today's the birthday party. The ladies are prepping the spaghetti. I told you in a previous video that any birthday party here in the Philippines, you have to have spaghetti. It's an absolute necessary part of a Filipino birthday party. And you also have to have pancit. If you don't have those items, man, you're in trouble. It's just breaking the template. Don't break the template. Okay, so just gonna put a little salt in here. Did you already put the magic syrup? Okay, magic syrup is a banned substance in my kingdom, but on these occasions, what in Rome do is the Romans. Let me just show you a look at my view here. Let's check the weather for the birthday party. Oh my goodness. It is a cool breeze. Nothing but sunshine. Look at that beautiful moon. What a perfect day for a birthday party. Out of here. I gotta evict these cats off of my porch out here because one of them left me a surprise the other day. So the cats are no longer welcome here on the balcony. So not totally low tide. The tide is going out and it'll go all the way out. You see how shallow it is? That's why you got to have this pier. Even out where them boats are, it's very shallow. Got babies out there walking around. Lady over here tending to the nets with her daughter. A lot of times what you see here, you know, the men go out, do the fishing. They come back in after a grueling shift on the water. And a lot of the grunt work falls to the ladies. You know, while the men are trying to get some rest. It's a family business. So I'll just give you a slow pan around to the pier behind the municipal, the new pier over there, which as far as I can see, it's just for walking purposes, because you can see how shallow it is. That's the problem here, just such shallow waters if you're trying to get any type of vessel in here. I'll just pan down and show you a view of the rocks. This is why this area is not ideal for swimming. You have to, tiptoe across the rocks. But once you get out to where these children are with their ate out there, okay, it's nice sandy bottom, no problem for swimming. So folks, I would just like to take this time to welcome you to today's show. We're celebrating my son's birthday. It's his 6th birthday. Tomorrow's actually his birthday, but we're doing it today. And I picked a wonderful, wonderful day. You're always worried about the weather, but I actually had a backup plan in place. We were just going to move the birthday party here to the crib. Move it indoors if it was raining or what have you. But knock on wood, unless something rolls in, it's turned out to be a beautiful day. So what do we have going on? There's many things behind the scenes going on. If they got me some footage, they're over there probably about 2, 3. They probably started, I don't know, 1, 2 in the morning slaughtering the pig over there. So the pig is probably still on the roast, still on the spit, and which I'm very proud of is her brother, the real shy one. Him and 2 of the cousins came over. They showed up last night, crashed out on the floor till like 1:30. She woke them up and sent them over to help John. So I'm proud of that. Proud of them young men came over here, rogered up. So John's got a small army over there helping them with the pig. And then once they're done, I'll transport the pig down to the little beach area where we're gonna have this shindig. So we got a lot of stuff to take down there, a lot of shuffling back and forth, the drinks, the beer. Last night I gave them 1 case for the men slaughtering the pig and doing all the hard work, folks. They got to sit there for, say, 5 hours, turning that thing, sweating. Shoot them a case of beer. Still got 2 cases. And who is this beautiful supermodel coming in? Wow, look at this beautiful girl with the Daisy Dukes on. Perfect for a beach party. She brings in the Daisy Dukes. Good morning. I'm just showcasing your beauty.
Where's Ate Flo?
Ate Flo, she ran away. I'm not sure. She's no longer with us.
Ah!
Folks, look at this beautiful little girl. Who's that girl with them Daisy Dukes on? She's gonna have 30 new fans after they see her in these Daisy Dukes. I'm coming, girl. Thank you very much. So sweet. Look at her. She's holding the door for me. What a sweet girl. When they say the words Eden cheese, that's when they ruin the dish. I'm going to show you what ruins the dish for me. For me, it ruins the dishes. But hey, they love it. Whoa, whoa. Canoe abuse. Stress on Monday here. Stop. You stop that. You stop that. There are 2 brand new heavy duty can openers from Walmart that I got on clearance. Those are $13 openers I got for $3 each. And she still is taking the knife trying to slice her hand open.
How to use this? Like this?
There you go. There you go. There you go. Clamp down. Now turn it. Not with your hand. Spin it, baby. Spin it. There you go. Okay. Now you don't have to go to the hospital. Or you could spin it all the way around if you want. If you just spin it all the way around. If you spin it all the way around, you could have removed the lid. Now you're going to take all day. Nobody wants to listen to the foreign guy.
Okay. I'm not
Nobody
opening
wants
that
to.
all because
So we're putting condensed milk into the spaghetti to make it even more sweet.
Samot madilian sila. Mama, nila gusto.
There you go, Maria. Now you are gainfully employed. You're the dishwasher. Everybody's got to start at entry-level positions, sweetie. So you go to work on washing the dishes. Papa will be proud of you. Good job, sweetie girl. How do you teach a work ethic? Put kids to work. And you got a lot of gentlemen trying to find your Facebook, trying to find your phone number. One gentleman said he wants to take care of Pia and her family. But I have to inform you that you ladies have some competition now from a vegetable girl that John knows. Everybody fell in love with the vegetable girl. Hey buddy, what you got, man? You got a mask? Alright, here's the pig roaster. What's up, man? Alright, John's gonna have to go to work over there loading stuff up in the e-bike for transport. Upal's got a new mask of some sort. That's to blow up the balloons. Got the beautiful flow. Yeah, put it in the cooler. Do what you got to do. Big old box of falafel. Why? Because it's cheaper. Much cheaper buying it at a Prince than it is hitting it at the little sorry store. That's what everybody in the village drinks, is this falafel. You always hear me talking about it. Now you notice how it was very quiet in here until Flo showed up. And when Flo shows up, it gets very noisy. These two are very noisy. Alright, let's check the progress on the spaghetti. There you go. That's what it looks like. Now we go with the Eden cheese on top.
Ako may nagsubo gani. Boris, come here!
While everybody works, Fatima nibbles on leftovers.
Leftover, this is not leftover, that's the intestine of the baboy. The cook.
Oh, that's not leftovers? I thought that was leftovers from last night. So this is from the skinny pig? This is the intestine of the skinny pig.
Yeah.
In Mississippi, we call intestines chitlins. Masarap.
Minta rin kag cling wrap lang. Hindi mo pwede ang cling wrap. Pwede mo tugda ato. Ang gigamit na ako kang mama. Ang kuha mo to sa photo cheese tea, then need kag kanang scotch tape. Nakabantay ko ato kada si May.
Birthday boy checking out the spaghetti.
Tagay ang bata usa, usig mukha kan sila spaghetti. Tagay. Mukha kan spaghetti Maria. Pwede naman na. Tagay na sila.
So, ladies, let me get your attention right quick. Quick issue, okay? All right, so everybody loves looking at the supermodels here, right? But don't get jealous, Flo. But the vegetable lady is now become a superstar. John's secret friend.
Katong mamaligya sa kakon katong nas third year.
Ang babae taga high school ba? Ila Amy ba na sa merkado nagtrabaho? Anak, one time isa daw on record kay magina sa LA.
Di mo na siya nagbantay sa ila ka mo na.
Mo gana nagsigo na magbantay gana na sila ug ang igsuon. Diri gandan dan. Allah. Joke. Tungo ba sa ganjan?
Okay, well, what the viewers want to know is what's this young lady's name?
Ang sige nga nato niya lang. I forgot man ay.
I forgot. We'll just call her Princess.
Princess now, princess.
Oh, a little jealousy just kicked in.
Kunin nag-cheese.
Flo is a little jealous of the princess.
Dagang cheese na. Ganun mo sa sauce niya nang gali.
Ko magina cheese si ate na ko ang
Flo,
Ang lang.
don't be
Dagan mo kay
jealous.
nag-sauce. Man sa kaadla ko buntagon. Ayan. Mauy ay.
Ano di siya te?
Bulak lang. Flower? Yes,
They love them pig intestines.
kamot ay.
So is Jomar over there helping with the pig?
Yeah.
Did you get some footage of Jomar actually working? That's a rare sight.
Ha? Wala siya katuyok pag video na kagawin ako. Pumunta ka na rin. Ito ba tayo?
Oop out double fisting them crackers. That's better than having 2 beers, ain't it, buddy? You're gonna mess up the presentation.
What's the important? The presentation or the hungry tummy? Ang importante kung alin yung daga.
Dungan mo di mga niya.
Doon daga.
Di ba siya maligdagat kay swimming pool maliganahan?
Of course. Char. Juicy.
May lagi siya pagkatimpla to. Siya ka na din.
Ako ba nagluto?
Hmm?
Ako.
Ikaw?
Correct. Thank you, tubig. Ano, tubig?
I'm not a waiter.